Yes guys, I'm back again, I already give the signal to my team. So now let me buy my currency, guys. I'm gonna buy my currency now. For this who wish to use the same strategy, all you need is to watch the full video, because I'll be sharing the whole settings for the strategy. This strategy right here that I'm using, I'll be sharing the settings for the strategy. So please, before I share anything, subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video, show me some love, you know what I'm saying. Join the free Telegram group, the link is on description below. Also, you can use the broker that I'm using, the link is also on description below. Let's go and make some money. This is how we do it. So guys, let's wait guys, and then so guys, this is how I take my trade, you know what I'm saying, using this strategy. I hope you know now, you know how to do it. No big deal. All you need is to wait. If you are using this strategy, all you need is to wait the market to reach at level 8, and then you buy the currency. After the market reach level 8, you can wait a little bit the market to break level 20, and then you enter. All right, and then after you enter, you're gonna swing the market level 60 here. This is going to be your first take profit right here, and the last take profit is level 90 right here. You can even take your last profit at level 8 just to protect yourself, you know. I think this profit is not it's enough for it. It's enough from level 20 here all the way to level 8 at this point. I hope this profit is enough for sure. It's really enough. So once the market reach level 8, you can take your profit and stay out the market. You wait for another market to do the same thing, and once you find another signal, you take that signal, you know. Easy like that, easy like that. And then, as you know, if you're gonna sell the currency, you sell from here level 90, you sell all the way level 20. Level 20, it might be your last take profit, just for you to be safe. Level 20, it might be your last take profit, or else you can swing all the way to level 8, but level 20, this might be your last take profit for real, just for you to be safe. So guys, I hope you enjoying this, because I'm having a lot of these questions. And when it comes to the zoom level, guys, if you are using this strategy, do not use any zoom level. Do not do something like this. No, this is the stupid thing. Don't do it. If you does this, you're gonna lose your money, because the strategy, it's no longer makes sense. Look at the moving averages. The moving average must be zoomed in like that, so that it might show you like, yo, this is the real time to enter the market. You know what I'm saying? Because it must touch the levels by itself, not you forcing it to touch the levels. So do it, make sure you zoom in like that. No zoom level allowed to this strategy. Guys, we're getting to the profit, and we're expecting to kill this market. Is so crazy, you know. We're expecting to kill the market. So crazy, guys. I hope everyone is making money through my strategies. All right, I don't know if I should share the settings again for the strategy, but let me try to share them quickly. Maybe there's this new views who are watching, so please like the video, then let me share the settings for the second time with your guys. The strategy, this is how it works. This is how the strategy works. I hope you can see everything, guys. I hope you can see everything. So straight up, let's go F sign, guys. Click F sign. If you don't know, now you know. F sign is right here. Click it. I want to give you guys the settings for the second time, because this strategy, guys, I love to give it every single minute, because when you love something, you will always give it to the people, you know. So let's click F sign here. I want to give you this the strategy for the second time. Click F sign, boom. First thing first, find relative straight index. Relative straight index. You can see here the first one, which is the relative straight index. Click on it. So now relative straight index settings is going to be period 1. Apply to close. Levels. Click at levels. Boom. The first description is going to be level 80. The second description is going to be 90. The third description is going to be 50. Fourth description is going to be 80. And then 20, 40, and 60. As you can see, you can take the screenshot so that you won't miss. And then use 4 pixel and use the color of your choice. Use 4 pixel. And after that, come back here and click done. After you click done, now it's gonna be time to put the moving averages. To put the moving averages to the chart, click F sign again. Come here, click F sign again. Boom. So now you're gonna click look for indicator windows 1. Indicator windows 1 just to put the moving averages. Okay, there are going to be 7 moving averages. Okay, the first moving average is going to be period 21. Shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Levels is going to be 4 pixel. No levels. It's going to be 4 pixel and color of your choice. Come back here. The second moving average is going to be period 5. Shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Style 4 pixel, color of your choice. The third one is going to be period 3, shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Levels, no levels. Style 4 pixel, color of your choice. Fourth one is going to be period 8, shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Style 4 pixel, color of your choice. 5 period 13, shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Style 4 pixel, color of your choice. Boom, click done. 6 moving average, period 50, shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Levels, no levels. No levels on the moving average. Style 4 pixel, color of your choice. Click done. The last one, which is going to be period 31, shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Apply to close. And style 4 pixel, color of your choice. And then after you've done that, click done. And then your strategy is gonna be looking same as mine. Okay, your strategy is going to be looking same as mine. So as I told you that you buy when these moving averages they reach at level 80, you buy all the way level 80 is your take profit right here. You sell when the market reach at this level, you sell all the way to this point. Also, as you can see, every time the market reach this level here, level 8, you can see that it's buying so crazy. Okay, sorry. And also you can see that every time the market reach this level here, level 90, the market is dropping so crazy. Yo, you're gonna make it out, man. From this this strategy, just for the lose. Make sure once the market reach the level, wait for confirmations candlestick, then enter the market. Go make money. My brother, my sister, whoever, make sure click that like button, support the video and support the channel. Show me some love back as I do. Join the free Telegram group. The link is on description below. Let's go do this together. Peace. I'm out.